Hi, welcome back to Musicians Edition Aural Skills. Coming up, we're going to learn how to identify dynamics solely by hearing. Are you ready? Let's go! If you didn't watch the previous lesson of music theory on dynamics, I highly recommend going back to it as it goes over what dynamics are in details. But if you want to know just enough to do this exercise, that's fine, we'll go over it just a little bit. So dynamics is the volume that should be played in the song. It's never written actually loud or soft. It's written in Italian. And normally it just has a couple symbols. So if you want to play soft, it's P. P stands for piano. And then there's F. F is forte, and that means loud. The more P's you have, the quieter it's going to be. The more F's, the louder it's going to be. And then you have the ones in between. You have MP, which is mezzo piano, and that means kind of soft. And then you have MF, which is kind of loud. And that's pretty much our main dynamics. And then you have what's called a crescendo, which looks like a greater than sign, and it means to gradually get louder. And then you have a decrescendo or diminuendo, and that goes the opposite way, and you want to gradually get softer. All right, now that you know what the dynamics are, we're going to do several exercises, and we're just going to listen. And we're going to determine if it's piano, mezzo forte, forte. If we used a crescendo, we're basically going to identify what it is. All right, so let's take a listen, shall we? What do you think that is? Take a listen again. Do you know what it is? That one is kind of quiet. So we can list it somewhat in the range of the pianos. It can be hard just solely listening whether it's piano, pianissimo, or mezzo piano. But as long as you know that it's in the range of piano, that's all I'm looking for. All right, let's listen to the next one. This one feels fairly easy, but just in case, let's listen again. Do you know what it is? This one is loud. All right, let's take a listen to this one. Whoa, let's listen again. Okay, can you tell me what all is involved in this one? This one is piano crescendoing to forte. Great. How about this one? Let's listen again. This one is forte, decrescendoing into a piano. Great. How about this? Let's listen again. All right, that one kind of sounds like it's mid-range. So I would say that one's most likely mezzo forte. All right, let's add a little bit more on, so it's going to get a little more complex. Let's take a listen. There's more in this one. Can you tell me what happens? Let's listen again. All right, interesting. So how does this one go? It starts piano, and then it crescendos to forte, and then decrescendos back down to piano. Great job. Let's take another listen to a different one. All right, you think you could figure this one out? Let's listen again. All right, do you know what this one is? We started off piano, and then we crescendoed to forte, and then it crescendoed even louder, so to fortissimo. Great. Let's try this one. Okay, you think you could do this one? Let's listen again. I think you got this one. Can you tell me what's involved? We started forte, then decrescendoed to piano, and then we decrescendoed again to pianissimo. Great job. Let's do some more. Let's take a listen. Okay. Think you know this one? Let's listen again. All right, can you tell what's involved? This one went piano, crescendoed to forte, and then decrescendoed back to piano. Great. Let's do one more. Take a listen. All right, think you know what this one is? Let's listen one more time. Okay, do you know it? This one did the opposites. This one went forte, then decrescendoed to piano, then crescendoed back to forte. Great, that's all the time we have today, but great job. There's not too much when it comes to dynamics, but they're super important to be able to acknowledge them and to practice them and actually perform them. So, though it's little, it's good to know really what they are. Thanks for joining me, and until next time.